Sample 24 is called Comet Geyser, and we collected it from the Bunsen Peak rock on the Martian unit. The Comet Geyser sample is really exciting for several reasons. This rock is dominated by silica and carbonate. These phases are known on Earth to be good at preserving biosignatures. Carbonate is a phase that forms in association with fluids such as water, which is really important in our search for evidence for past life on Mars. It's still a bit of a mystery what this rock is. There are interesting textures that could be consistent with either an igneous rock or a sedimentary rock. And that's what makes it so exciting to us as scientists, is because we get to put our thinking caps on and really try and solve this puzzle.
Thanks for joining our cosmic escapade on Space Wonders 319. If you loved our journey, hit subscribe, like, and share. Your support means the universe to us. Stay tuned for more celestial wonders. And share your cosmic thoughts in the comments until our next adventure. Keep exploring the wonders of space on our channel Space Wonders 319.